How to pack for a weekend trip to New York City with just one backpack. With one backpack, you'll be limited in storage capacity, so you really have to maximize the space that's given to you by choosing the right items to pack. Before we begin, I want to say you should always plan what you are packing around your itinerary and what the weather is going to be. Next, you need to figure out what you're going to be wearing on this trip. For a weekend trip, you don't need any more than 3 outfits, I would say. In order to save space in your backpack, you should plan to have an outfit that is never going to be packed. The outfit for me is my airport outfit. It's what I plan to wear when I'm flying to my destination and what I'm planning on wearing when I fly back from my destination. For a weekend trip to the city, unless you're going to a wedding, you only really need to bring one pair of good comfortable shoes. These are shoes you won't be packing, so you'll be saving space there as well. I'm just going to bring my running shoes since I know I'll be doing lots of walking in NYC. For the clothing I'll be wearing while I'm there, I'm just going to pack one pair of pants, which is more than enough for just 2 days in the city. In terms of shirts, I'm just going to bring 2 t-shirts and 2 button-downs. I also threw in a tank top that I'll wear while I'm sleeping too. Also, obviously, bring your undergarments like your socks and underwear. It'll be safe to pack at least 2 of each if it's for a weekend trip. Once you know what you plan on wearing, it's time to pack them. I highly recommend packing cubes for this so you can really fit in your clothing to a compact shape that will help save space in your backpack. A packing cube works well for your toiletries as well, if you don't already have a pouch for that. So there you have it, keeping this video short and to the point. This is how I packed for my weekend trip to NYC, all with just one backpack. Plus, I also have some room to spare for whatever souvenirs I plan on bringing back as well. Alright, that's it from me today. My name is Eric. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm out.